I was getting ready to do the glass in this thing and I realized I never did a headliner. If you want to see how to do a headliner, stick around. Alright guys, so normally what I do before I do paint and body and everything, but this Rambler's almost finished and then it occurred to me I wanted to do a headliner to hide this ugly. It's got some sink marks, if you could see them on camera, that I want to hide. So normally what I do is I use tape and I make a template and I line it in there and I cut it to shape, and then I transfer the tape onto my cloth or whatever. I've used cloth, I've used styrofoam dinner plates, etc. But what I'm using here is this cloth. This cloth here is like an industrial paper towel, like a shop rag. It doesn't rip easy, but it cuts nice. It's like a fabric, but not quite. And I use it for shop rags. I use it for polishing and all kinds of stuff. So I didn't do the tape method this time, and what I did was I put a piece of paper in there and I traced a general outline. Okay, and then once you get your template in there, if it'll cooperate, okay, that's the general idea. You can transfer that to whatever you decide the material is going to be for your headliner. So let me take this and transfer this to the fabric. Stay tuned. Alright, so now I have my fabric cut out. And I'm going to place this in here and see how it looks. You want to take into consideration that you have to glue your glass, so you want to have some room for that too. Move it into place wherever you want it. And then once you see if it fits good, and that does, you take it back out. Now what I use this craft glue, and it seems to, it dries without hardening, like say Canopy glue or Elmer's glue, and it works really good on fabrics and stuff. So it doesn't harden the material. You don't want hard spots like you would get if you use Elmer's or Canopy glue. Alright, so let me get some glue on here and we'll stick this down. And what you're trying to achieve is a very thin coat of glue, just enough to stick it down. You don't want a whole bunch. You can see that's also clear. So a fabric glue is probably the best for this. Now obviously if you have too much glue, you can take off the glue, take some of the glue off, but spread it out corner to corner, edge to edge. And also you want to use a glue that is warm water and soap cleanup. I got a little too much. Let me wipe some off. Alright. So I'm looking at this in the light and I can see that I have the glue spread everywhere. Alright. So then take your fabric, and a good thing about this glue is it has a longer setup time, so you can move your headliner around to where you want it. Make sure you work all the wrinkles out. Alright, it's not looking too bad. So, it's not too bad. Now, here's the thing, okay? On this Johan Rambler, the glass is one piece, so we're going to have them connected here. So what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to show you that, is I'm going to make another headliner. I'm going to put the glass in, and I'm going to put the headliner over that to hide those connections. Okay? But basically, that's how you would do a headliner. You follow those steps, and you can do yourself a headliner and cover up any of the ugly up there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.